Welcome! Today I am with Xiaomi Redmi 10 from the European distribution, and we are going to check if this smartphone comes with silicone case in the box. As you can see inside, we can find this case. It's a silicone case, flexible. We can try to put it on the phone. Okay, we get cover for volume buttons. To the power key we get good access. At the bottom we get cutout for speaker. We can also open the USB-C port, but we can also cover, that's great. Cutout for microphone. At the top, jack 3.5mm for headphones and another speaker. The case comes a little bit above the screen and a little bit above the cameras, so when you put it on the flat surface you cannot scratch them. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.